guys, Brad from simpleguitar.com here with a quick and short video for you today, because I'm going to talk about something that I see beginners run into all the time, and that's where you go ahead and you tune your guitar, you use a tuner, you make sure everything's great, everything says it's in tune on the tuner, but when you play, everything sounds like garbage, and you're like, what is going on with my guitar? Now, there's actually several different things that we could look at. One, you could need new strings. Two, you could need the intonation on your guitar set. That means when you play your open string and it's in tune, if you play that same note at the 12th fret, that it's also in tune there, okay? But we're not talking about that in this video because there's a much simpler solution that I see beginners struggle with all the time, and it's this. When you start playing guitar, you have to squeeze the life out of the strings to get a good sound out of them, because most people, one, are playing with strings that are heavier than they need to be, but two, it's just hard to do when you're starting out. But here's the trick. After you've been playing for a few weeks or a few months and you know some chords and you can do a few things, most of us stay in the habit of squeezing as hard as we can. And if we do that, we'll go from our chords sounding like this to sounding like this. And that is because you're just squeezing too hard, okay? It's really that simple. If you've tuned up your guitar, but when you're playing, everything still sounds out of tune, there's a good chance that you need to check how hard you're squeezing. Start there first. Now, this could be with chords, because if you take a chord like an E chord and you squeeze the crap out of it, what you do is you need to find how hard do I squeeze each string so that I'm just getting a clean sound. So to do that, just take like your first finger, and I'm going to squeeze the 5th fret on my E string, right? And so that way, all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that down, and right now I'm not pressing at all. And I'm just going to apply just a little bit of pressure. Now right there, there's a little bit of string buzz. So I'm going to squeeze just a touch harder. That's pretty good right there, right? But if I continue to squeeze harder, right? Hear how much that goes out of tune from this to this? And all I'm doing is squeezing, okay? Now in a chord, there's multiple notes that you're usually squeezing. So you need to look individually. If I have a C chord and I'm squeezing the crap out of it and I get this, and I'm all out of tune, if I just loosen up my fingers a little bit and I just press hard enough to get a good sound, it's suddenly in tune, right? So you're gonna have to mess around with that. How hard are you squeezing the guitar, especially if you've been playing for a few weeks and you're still kind of squeezing the life out of things? The thing is, guitar is hardest at the beginning, and so it takes you having to squeeze, but you need to break that habit as soon as you start getting some calluses on your fingers and you're able to start doing some stuff, and everything that you play, whether it's a scale, whether it's a song, whether it's chords, is instantly going to sound better. So that is my advice for you today, guys. Short and sweet and simple. Go make sure that you're not squeezing your chords and everything too hard, making everything go out of tune just by how hard you're squeezing things with your fretting hand, and make sure your guitar's in tune, and you're gonna have an awesome time and you're gonna sound a lot better, and it's gonna be easier on your fingers, okay? You shouldn't use more effort than is necessary to get a good in tune note. So if you are, stop it, play a little bit lighter, line up your touch, and it's gonna make everything that you do sound better. Now, I hope that was helpful for you. I know this is a short and sweet video, but I also have another gift for you. If you haven't picked it up already, it's called the Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First, and it's 10 things, but it's a 17-page PDF. Plus, there's videos for each thing too. So if you want to pick that up, go to my website at simpleguitar.com/top10. There, I'll ask you to put in your email address, and then I'll send that out to you, and you can unsubscribe from my mailing list anytime you want, but I will send you more lessons and stuff that is going to help your guitar playing and make learning guitar simple. So don't squeeze your strings too hard. Have an awesome week, and I will catch you in the next lesson.